Bonjour tout le monde! Welcome back to another episode of Bea's Beauty Room. This time we're going to be reviewing our April Ipsy box. Ipsy, glam bag, glam box, BoxyCharm, whatever the heck you want to call it. It's all those things. So I'm going to get into the unboxing right now, and I hope you guys have been enjoying my series. Please check out the other videos somewhere linked on this page. And yeah. All right, let's get into it. So here's the box. This one is obviously already opened as well. And we've got 5 delicious little items in here to check out. So again, this is going to be our April box, and we're gonna get started here. I have the Mischo Beauty liquid eyeshadow, y'all. Let's check this out. This is in the color Magnifique. Okay, I actually do like liquid eyeshadows, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. They have a little bit of je ne sais quoi. So this one is like a metallic type. I don't even know if you would call this silver. It does have like a little bit of flex in it as well. So let's see if we can just try this on. Oh, but I like it. It's very smooth, and the color is quite neutral. Like you could layer this color easy. All right. Now I am layering this with makeup that I already had on, so we're just gonna have to make it work. But I like this. If anything, it would turn out to be a great base coat. I like this a lot, y'all. This is like my standard eye. If I do like an everyday eye look, this is it. I usually do like golds or silver, gray, because it matches my eye tone. Okay, that's that. I'm gonna go off camera and finish the eye look. Hold on. All in all, I think this is a great product. It is multi-use and also would look great on like more than one skin tone. So really like this product. Again, that's Mischo Beauty liquid eyeshadow in Magnifique. Now we're gonna get into the Better Than Sex Foreplay 24-hour lash primer. It promises to give 90% more curl, 92% more volume, 92% intensifying mascara color, and 89% of people said they saw more length in their lashes. Now, I have no natural lashes. Like, I'm always wearing falsies. So, I can't really test this out right now, but I'm super excited. I'm probably gonna do like a whole separate video. Oh, this looks like it's got fibers in there and everything, y'all. When I'm looking up close at the brush, it's got fibers. This is cool. I love trying products like this, so we'll definitely do a whole video dedicated to giving this a try. Again, this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Foreplay. So it's the pre-mascara. Love it. Next, we've got this is Trust Fund Beauty That Glow Though Cream Highlighter and Honey Glow. I love highlighters. If I haven't mentioned it before, I'll mention it again. Highlighters are my favorite part of the makeup process, so let's see what she's cooking with. Why don't we? I would get a brush and try this, but we're just gonna go all in. I'm gonna give this a try here. Let's see. Oh. This might be a new fave, y'all. Can y'all see that? Seriously? This is on like natural skin. Like I have nothing on my skin right now. That is so gorgeous. It's got like this Oh, it's like almost pretty amber glow, like the hair. Just instant. Like, you don't even need too much. It's there. Yeah, this is about to be a new fave. Let's just go ahead and glow it up. Why don't we? Go ahead and do this side. Oh yeah, I can already tell. This is gonna be a new fave. Any kind of highlighter that just complements your skin tone and your eyes and your hair. Yes, honey, okay. I am all here for it. Such great payoff. And I mean, for me not wearing any makeup, so it's called Honey Glow. Again, if you can see, Honey Glow. That Glow Though cream highlighter. I have to get into the cream highlighters. I haven't been introduced, but we've been introduced now. So now the last set of items are going to be face products. This is called Beauty for Real, and this is their Hydroset Translucent Brightening Powder, which I have been needing more of this. I'm running out of my setting powder, so this should be good. This is the packaging. Beauty for Real. And this powder actually does have a little compact little duster thing that comes with it. Oh, they've got a mirror on the inside of the case. Oh, and it's got this like no splash guard thing. Okay, okay. Hold on. I was dropping things before, but this little mechanism here, this is genius. If all makeup companies would pay attention here to this part in specific, this little guard between that and the powder for your little puff to go in. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need that in every single one of these translucent powders, okay? Now this powder it's not white based, it's more of like a skin tone peachy kind of base. So I really like that. I don't really like the white ones. It makes darker skin kind of look ashy. It can tend to, right? Let me put it like that. But my favorite powder that I use is the mineral powder from Bare Minerals, and I use that to set my makeup. So I'm gonna have to see how this comes in as a dupe for me. I'm super excited. Like I said, I've been running out. And I haven't had a chance to go to the mall and get more. So yeah, I'll be testing that out for my next full face of makeup. The last item that we got was the First Aid Beauty. Y'all know I love me some Fab, okay? First Aid Beauty Deep Cleanser with Red Clay. Helps remove excess oil and unclog pores. Nettoyons en profondeur. Nettoyons en profondeur. En profondeur. Nettoyons en profondeur. I have to practice my friends français. Like you start to speak Franglish a little bit in there, but yes. So it says here that this is a gentle cleanser, ideal for combination and oily skin. Looking for an extra deep cleanse, and I'm all about the extra deep cleanse because I do have combination skin. So yeah, I'm super excited to try all my funsy little items. This is a full-size bottle, so this ain't fun size, this is full size. All right, so that's what you're gonna get in your Ipsy BoxyCharm Glam box. If you do opt in just for the Glam bag, you probably get the little miniature size portion. But I'm excited, you guys. This has been fun. I do enjoy every single item that I got this time around. So hopefully I can come back and do another look, see, and follow up. I don't know if you guys want me to follow up with the next video and like tell y'all how I like each item. Rating that. The problem is I can never keep track of everything. Like, so if I show you the items now, they'd just be all over. Like one would be in my travel makeup bag, one would be in my regular makeup. So I'll just need to figure out what items I did previously to like come back and review them if we do that. But other than that, I hope you guys are having a fabulous day, fabulous night, fabulous evening, a great morning, whatever it is.